Breaking news and welcome to ATIS LAKAY. My name is Susie. A gunman wielding an assault-type rifle and a handgun opened fire inside a crowded Florida Pulse gray nightclub, and at least 50 are dead and 53 injured. It is the deadliest mass shooting in recent U.S. history. Now we have Supa Boy live in covering it. Supa Boy, good evening.
We are right here, right in front of the Pulse nightclub, Orlando, Florida. There is a mass shooting. We don't even know what happened, so let's figure it out. What? Oh my God! In Pulse nightclub, there's been a shooting. Yeah, there's been a shooting. Can you please explain? Yes. Oh my God! I just lost my boyfriend. Oh my God, I was in the club. I was in Pulse nightclub. Oh my God! I was in Pulse nightclub. It's a gay club, alright? It's a gay club. Okay, what's your name? My name is Geraldine. My name is Geraldine Alcius. I am a lady from a place called Tiampon in Leogan. I'm a daughter. I've been friends by the misery, and now I rose by the friends of my family and the same people and the. I'm supposed to be like I don't even know. I'm sorry. I don't know, so I'm stressed out. It's out, man. Are you okay? I don't know. I think I got shot in my head. My ass is itching me right now. I think I got shot in my butt. Oh my God! I got shot. Yeah, I think I got shot in my butt. Okay, what about you? What about your friend? They okay? I don't know. I'm looking for Alan Cave. I'm looking for Richie Zengley. I'm looking for Don Junior. Don Junior is the one that they are related to you, right? It's personal. It's personal. Don Junior is my heart. I understand. Yes. Okay. I cannot stay too long. Okay. Yes. But oh my God, it's a crazy night. And then the thing about it is my mom doesn't even know if I actually went to the club tonight. That's the crazy shit about it. I don't even know. I gotta go. I'm shut the fuck out. Oh, by the way, I like your hair. Do you have a number? All right. Thank you, sir. I gotta go.
We live here in Orlando for what ATIS LAKAY knows.